Today I'm going to be showing you how to attach your flag to your pole using these rings. Your kit will come with a flag, a bracket, 2 rings, as well as a pole. So first, to start, you're going to take your rings and put them on through the bottom of the pole. Then moving them up. One will go towards the middle of the pole and one at the top. Then the next step is to unscrew the screw and attach the grommet of your flag to it. You'll take and put the grommet over that hole and put the screw back in through that hole and through the grommet. And just tighten it until you feel resistance against the pole. And then we'll repeat the process for the top grommet. Now you're ready to fly your flag. Thanks for watching.